So you guys been loving this type of viral text effect. I mean, when I come over here, you can see this is the Explorer page, like boom, one's right here, another one's right here. I mean, this guy's doing it too. If I scroll down a little bit, I'm sure I'll find another one. Like here's another one and here's another one. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get that viral shine text effect. Very simple, fast, and easy in Premiere Pro. And make sure to stick out throughout this entire video because I'm gonna be dropping secret sauce all the way. So let's get right into this video. All right, we're in Premiere Pro, and if you stick throughout this entire video, you're gonna learn how to do this exact effect, this slash hook.
Only available in After Effects.
There, this effect just looks so good. Here's another example of what colors that you can do. This like pinkish really looks good. And then here's another example with this purple, looks super duper good. And I'm gonna be dropping the sauce on how to get this right now. So the way I get this shine effect is unlike any other person because I don't waste hours inside of After Effects to get this simple effect. All I have to do is come into graphics templates, look with the shine effect. Any of these shine effects I want, some of these are animated, but for now, I just want the shine effect purely because I'm gonna animate it later. I'll show you guys how I do that. But for right now, you just drag it, drop it, just like right there, and boom, that's it. I'm gonna change this to entire because I'm going to basically replace this word with entire. So just like so, let's delete this and we'll resize this really quick. Bring this, actually, I'm gonna bring it up, drag this one. And let's just drag this over here really quick, just so then when these all show, now I can just reposition these super duper quick, and then we'll see our final result. And boom, if I wanna come into here and we can mess with everything, we can mess with the glow. If I want it to be even more intense, I can. If I wanna mess with the glow radius, I can. But I mean, honestly, this is perfect for me, to be completely honest. I mean, I can come in here, I can also change the width of this, so you can see on the left-hand side, it changes the width. I can do the exact same with the shine. If I want the beam to be different, I can change that. If I want the intensity on the right shine to be different, I can also do these on both the first and second shine. And these are just so easy. If you want to get the shine effect, it will be inside my Captions FX pack. And let's actually add a drop shadow because I've seen that when you add a drop shadow to these, it looks super fucking clean. So also, I have presets for that in that pack where you get the shine effect and all those other effects. I'm gonna grab the drop shadow because I made it specifically for this. I'm gonna add one. I love to add two of them. And now boom, look how much better that looks. Oh my God, that is super sexy, holy shit. And then let's just like add, I'm gonna highlight these. I'm just gonna grab an up here up. I bet you this will look super duper sexy.
I spent an entire...
Oh my God. That is sexy. Let's do this one more time. I'm just gonna bring this animated captions up here, and then I'm going to actually bring these out super quick so we do the exact same thing, and I'm gonna replace the animated. And then for this one, I'm just thinking about just simply grabbing, let's just do a simple fade. I like the fades, they're super clean. Just like boom, boom, boom. That looks super good. Or, I mean, fuck it. We'll do a pure left because, you know, just because we can. It's super fast, super easy.
Captions. I spent an entire day animating captions.
Yeah, what the fuck? That was so good. Let's change the color really quick. I honestly want it to be that purple kind of color. That looks really cool. Ooh, not that, that's like too pink. Yo, guys. Hold on. This looks too good. What the fuck?
An entire day animating captions.
Yo, let me add some sound effects really quick. I'm just gonna grab these. These are in my sound effects pack. If you guys wanna grab that, I'll just put it like right where I say sound effects. So like, just like so. And I also actually am going to grab a zoom really quick to add that exact same zoom from like over here. You can see this like zoom out. I'll actually just duplicate this, but this zoom that I have on here, you see it where it says ET zoom. That's in my zoom pack. I honestly just recommend getting the all pack. I mean, it's really a no-brainer because not only will it give you every single one of my presets, but it'll allow you to follow along in each and every single one of my videos. Plus, if you guys go get the pack right now, I'm throwing in these 4 exclusive hooks that you only get in the all pack for a very short amount of time. So make sure to go get this right now. So this is the final result after I've added the really quick zoom that we added and my sound effects, just 2 sound effects really quick.
Entire day animating captions manually.
Yo, that's pretty good. Just add some music and a little bit of tweaking and this would be a banger ass hook. And because you watched all the way to the end of this video, I'm throwing in a special discount. If you guys use the code SHINE, it'll save you $5 off your order. And if you want to learn more about this shine effect, go click this video right over here. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!